Today we're assembling the SDSPi or StreamDeck stand with Pi attachment. Your kit comprises of two sides, a base plate and various nuts and bolts. To begin, we take the two square nuts for each side and place them in the recesses so that you can see the holes of the nuts for the base to attach. Please note that the base plate has tabs rear and front. The front tab is slightly wider than the rear tab, and you'll also notice that there are holes for mounting your Pi on the underside if you have your own Raspberry Pi. We take one side, we place the base over the top of the holes, we take our supplied bolts and pop it in the hole, we take our supplied Allen key, now we can place the rubber feet. This gives us a nice sturdy stand now. Great positive feedback. If you're going to be mounting your Raspberry Pi on the underside of the stand, please be aware that when you flip the stand over, the Pi should be oriented so the ports are toward the top. This will allow you to connect to the StreamDeck XL and use something like Companion. If you're using an optional heatsink, which is a full aluminium, which is for the Raspberry Pi 4, please put on any heatsink pads that may be required for the chips. Then place the heatsink over the top and bolt accordingly. So you'll bolt straight through the stand in this manner with the required standoffs to elevate it off the base. The beauty of the clear base plate is you can see the various LEDs that might be visible on the Pi to show activity. You can also see where you're plugging things in without doing it completely blind.